by photographic artists have conveyed the most noteworthy quality pictures yet without bounds mid-motor Chevrolet Corvette, this time as it was experiencing winter testing in the Arctic. This would appear to be a similar test donkey beforehand spotted from high over a test track and at a McDonald, yet these give the best impression yet of what we may anticipate from a mid-motor Corvette, or whatever this winds up being. The main contrast is by all accounts the haggles, yet that is a direct result of the snow. At any rate, we would now be able to recognize is that in spite of having its motor in the back, this Corvette keeps up a removable, targa-style rooftop. We would now be able to unmistakably make out the lines at the windshield header and over the B-column/move bar. We can likewise detect that there is plainly an air allow underneath the squarish dark sideboard, as though the huge backside and short front end weren't at that point a sufficient mid-motor tip-off. Question: is the territory toward the back of the backdrop illumination sufficiently huge to fit the expelled rooftop and maybe a trunk like the first Acura NSX? Additionally, from what we can make out of the belt underneath all that dark camo, there's almost no to prevent from the continuous conviction that this will for sure be a Corvette. Regardless of whether it's a C7 substitution or an expansion to another Corvette family is as yet anybody's speculate this point. In any occasion, appreciate flipping through the pics, as though you haven't as of now.